Okay, all right, we get it. The market is super hot and it seems like homes are selling like hotcakes. And so you're trying to sell your house yourself. You're trying to do it for sale by owner, right? Because you think you're saving money. Check this out. So I'm reading just a little clip from a report that was released by the NAR, the National Association of Realtors, regarding for sale by owners. And so it says this, and I quote, FSBOs, which means, for sale by owners, typically sell for less than the selling price of other homes. FSBO homes sold at a median of $217,900 in 2020, up from $200,000 in 2019, which is good, and still far lower than the median selling price of all homes at $242,300. Further, it says agent-assisted homes sold for a median of $295,000. Wow, that is a big difference. That's a big difference. And so it may seem like you're saving money by not using a realtor, but according to the NAR, which part of their job is to gather data, they collect data, and then they give us that data. This data is telling us that although it seems like you're saving money by not listing with the realtor, you're actually most likely leaving money on the table, even after commissions. And so this might be a shocker for a lot of people because, they don't want to pay a commission. And so it seems like you're saving money, but really you're not, according to NAR. And so if you are somebody that is interested in selling your home, you're in the market, you're wanting to sell, and you insist on doing it yourself, first of all, I would say don't do for sale by owner. Don't try to do it yourself. I know it looks easy. It is not, and chances are you're probably leaving money on the table. But if you insist and you really want to do it yourself, then what I would suggest, what you want to do is you want to reach out to me, and let's chat and let's find out what the true value is of your home in today's market, first of all. And secondly, let me get you some information and some material that is going to help you in making sure that you sell your home quickly and for the absolute most that you can, to make sure that you net the most from the sale of your home. Let's not leave any money on the table. And so again, if you're somebody that wants to sell, don't do for sale by owner. But if you insist, then let's first chat and let's find out what the true value is of your home. And then let me get you some material information that's going to help you to sell it quickly for the absolute most so that you can net the most. So that's going to wrap it up. I hope to hear from you. This is Gerardo, iPro Realty, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.